Can you see that?
No way.
1 second. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
G'day guys, welcome back to Lost to Recovery. Today I'm taking you out there underwater metal detecting. We just got a call. Over $25,000 in value is lost somewhere out there in the ocean or possibly on the beach. Now, we don't know exactly where it is. Pretty big search area. This was lost just a couple of hours ago. Over $25,000. And hopefully, with any luck, we'll find it today. Check out our Patron family for awesome monthly rewards. The best Patron comment wins our monthly rewards. This month, we are handing out a brand new Scuba Detector Pro by Quest metal detectors. Now, what I really love about this metal detector is check this out. It is collapsible. With an 8-inch search coil, this thing here is a little ripper. What I really love about it, I can take it into lakes and rivers, ocean metal detecting. It's fold up, collapsible, fits in my carry case. It's really easy, travel friendly. Now we're gonna gear up, we're gonna get out there. See you in the water, guys. Cheers. We will find it. Yeah, whack her over. Woo. Sweet. Cheers, guys. Thank you. It's like 35 degrees out here today. It's really bloody hot. $0.50. Let's keep going. Let's see, got one here. We just need to find the first one. We're going to the first one, the other one will be within a metre. That's normally what happens. One. Bit of wire. Alright guys, we're on our target. She's sounding good. Guys, clear signal. Check this out. let's dig it. If it's what we're looking for, the other one will be close by. That sounded surface first. Oh, check it out! Yeah, pull tab. Pull tab. We're on another target and it's surface. Let's dig it. There's the surface. Just a sinker. There's a thing there, but yeah. We're going to dig about 50 or 60 of these before we find what we're looking for, guys. Keep going. I've just seen a glimmer. Oh! Woo! Can you see that?
I can see it.
Can you see that?
No way.
1 second. I only fogged the glass. That is.
Yes!
Can you see it?
Both of them.
It's 2 and 1. Oh. How you feel? Check out the size of that. That's massive. And then, got the diamond all the way through it as well. Whoa. That's, yeah, thanks for that, eh? So that's the white rock skin. And that's the rock he suns himself on. So he gets lots of sun during the day, and then you can see the little tracks. See the tracks? So you can see his tail line, and you can see his beak too. So we know he lives around here. That's his sunny rock. And right there, that's his home. He lives down there. It's pretty cool, isn't it? And do you know what else was here as well the other day? Red-bellied black snake. And now that one there, he's got a missing tail. So maybe the snake came after him for dinner, and then the lizard got away and dropped his tail. Do you know what happens with the lizard now? The lizard actually can grow his tail back. Not 100% perfect again, but it does regenerate. Yeah, kind of like octopus. Botanical. Their tentacles kind of grow back too. Bye bye, lizard.